So what's up people? How you doing? How's it going? Hopefully everything is really great on your side and you're living the happy and rich life. But if you're not, here's the thing. I'm having the Telegram VIP group through which, and with the help of which, you can get to that goal and you can get to that lifestyle in the life. And the only thing that you have to do is to go down to the description, click on the link, and here you are. You're in my Telegram VIP group, which is absolutely for free. So you're not paying a penny for anything right there. I'm just sharing with everything for absolutely free, just for your good. And hopefully you're gonna be enjoying and appreciating what I'm doing right there. So yeah, if you don't really know who I am, I'm Alex, and yeah, today I'm gonna be trading again, and looking forward to make a lot of money today as well. So do not forget to leave a like, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So let's get it started. The first thing, we are having euro and Japanese yen, and I'm definitely gonna go for long here. I'm willing to buy here, and yeah, going for long. You can see the vortex gives a buy signal, and I expect a breakup above the local resistance. And Parabolic SAR also confirms the upward movement. Therefore, there you go. There you are. Guys, currently I'm kind of, trying not to do something crazy, but I'm just willing to change. And these changes are not because of anything bad. No, I'm just done with a lot of things in life. And I mean, throughout the video, I'm going to be talking and telling you about the things, which is quite important for me and for my personality. And I believe you're going to be appreciating that, and you're going to be very much, maybe you'll find some reflection in yourself as well. So the first bet is profitable, perfect, $288 right there. Yep. So that's good. Going to yeah, I'm playing further. We are having Australian and Canadian dollars, having 200 right here and going for short definitely. You can see the price that bounces down from the Parabolic SAR line is strong. We are having a strong downward movement. The vortex also signals a drop. I'm waiting for a break below the mid under the Bollinger Bands. So we are having a sell trade here. Even if we're not really breaking the Bollinger Bands line, at least we are touching it. But it looks like we're gonna be breaking it. All right, it's pulled back. It just pulls back. It got scary. Oh, we broke it. So nice. As soon as we broke it, there is no way that we're gonna lose this bet. This is what I'm willing to believe in. And yeah, talking about the changes, I don't know. I'm just getting. How do I say? It's getting. Oh, shit. We got like 7 seconds, so I won't really be able to make it after this. But what we won it, but did you see what happened? What? All right, no worries. I'm kind of dealing with it. So Australian and francs right here. I'm having 472. I believe I can go with 350. All right, let's put it 350 right there. All right, let's play for long, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I wanna play for long, and what I can see that I expect an upward breakout from the consolidation phase in Australian dollars, and accelerator. Accelerator. Damn, I can't speak. Accelerate. Oh, it's accelerator steadily support growth, and Parabolic SAR also points for long scenarios. So, dang, I just can't speak. Accelerator. What I was trying to say is accelerator, but I was trying to say accelerator. That's accelerator, not the accelerator. Oh, damn, bro. I mixed the. That's the accelerator or the accelerator. Yeah. Damn. I'm gonna be dumb sometimes. But yeah, who cares if I got the bet? Who cares if I got money? Almost $800 right there. $6 short. Dang. Alright, great. Great. 92% of profit. Great. Francs and the Japanese yen right here. I want to play big. Let's put 500 right there. And I'm going to go for short here. That is definitely what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, okay, let's go. So, here, I'm expecting a pullback after a large bullish candle. And this will cause by a big buy order for the frame overall. And based on the technical analysis, we expect at least a raises of the midline of the candle. And here, down the middle of the channel line. So, we are having a sell trade. We're going for short. You know, I'm just done with spending my time without a purpose. Clubbing, partying, all these, people around who don't really care about my well-being and everything. I'm just mentally exhausted. Yeah, this is point. Just mentally exhausted, trying to get rid of the people around. Oh my God! There you go, 1,576, and trying to get more money. Yeah, because these people around me, they're just using and not giving, There is no point of the communication of that relationship. I don't enjoy it at all. Okay, not changing the amount because the profit percentage is quite low, but I want to break with it. Not break, I want to play with it. So going short, here you can see that false breakout occurred after a consolidation, and I expect further decline. As well as you can see that Williams shows some overbought condition in American dollars, United States dollars. So I will go with the sell trade. Yeah, guys. So in the meantime, while I'm telling you that I'm mentally exhausted and everything, just take careful look at your surrounding and at your environment, at the people who are in a daily contact with you, with whom you have any type of relationship, because if they are sucking up your energy, and because of that you feel lazy, or you lose the motivation, and you are not willing to grow, and you're not willing to do anything in your life, then get rid of them. And just the better thing is just to lock down, with something that will bring a lot of benefits into your life. Almost 2,000. To be accurate, $1,936 from $150, which is quite impressive, I believe. Yeah, so this is what I decided to do. I'm getting rid of the useless people. That's gonna be rude, I believe. Some of you may be hating me saying that, but this is the truth of the world. I'm trying to get rid of the people who are using me, and not really willing to get in touch with them again. So lock in, get money, everything. Health, money, and your family is the most important thing. Nothing else in this world matters more than these three things. This is the main reason why. Work on yourself, guys. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link for the Telegram is going to be below in the description. Thank you. Goodbye.